Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating another deep set eye eyeshadow look for you guys. Give you some more ideas on looks that you can create for deep set eyes. We are actually going out tonight. Usually when I create evening looks or just event looks, glam looks, I am not going anywhere. Tonight we're actually going out, which is kind of funny. So I had this idea to do a look that was pink on the lids and then match in some cooler taupe colors on the brow and underneath the lower lash line to create this look. So if you guys would like to see how I created this eyeshadow look, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start off with my hard candy highlight and contour. I'm going to go in with the highlighting side, and you can see along my lash line there's discoloration. So I just want to brighten that up, and this will help the lid color stay on a little better and be a little bit more pigmented as well. And that is a part of my eye that you can see when it's open, so just putting it kind of on that part only. I want to use some cooler taupes today on the eye, so I'm going in with the Makeup by Mario Mattes palette, and I'm going in with the shade M8 right here, and just a fluffy rounded brush to pick up some of the pigment and just place that right above the crease. Kind of go into the crease in the outer corner. Just go right along. I'm going to go in with M6. This kind of has a little bit of a pinky taupey tone to it, so that will go nicely with the lid color. I'm just blending that over top. Higher up on the brow bone. That's really giving us nice definition for the lid. It's just making the lid pop a lot more. Just gonna go in with a smaller domed brush, and I just kind of want to place some of that cooler taupe color in there just to smooth it out a bit, just to clean it up. Give a little bit more depth to this outer corner. I don't mind going in the crease on the outer corner of my eye. I find that it's in here that creates the eye to look more deep set and just for the makeup to look messier. And just the shape of my eyes are totally different. Like when I go in to hold the brush like this, I get a little bit more fallout than I do on this eye, and the shadow wants to gravitate more towards there just because my eyes are totally different shapes. So try to kind of balance them out a bit, but they are different shaped. I'm gonna go into my Rosé Will Go On, a palette from Essence Cosmetics, and this has some light pinks in it, so that's kind of what I wanted to do. A cooler taupe tone on the upper part of the eye, and then go in with some pinks on the lid. Just some soft pinks, nothing too dark, so I'm just going in with the outer corner color here, the bubblegum kind of pink. And we're going to put that all over the eye, all over the lid, sorry. Now I'm going to take a flat brush and go into the lightest pink right here and just pat that along the lash line. Brighten it up. Just blending it up into the deeper pink tone. Now I'm just going to go into the white shade right here and do the same thing closer to the lash line. Just to really brighten up that lid. I'm going to go into this inner corner too. I'm going to take a little bit of the tone right here, the M6, and just go underneath the lid with it, underneath my lower lash line. I love doing that with the shade that I used, kind of the highest on my brow bone, just to tie the eye look all together. All right, this is the final look. I just tightlined across the top lash line and put some mascara on 3/4 of the eye, just kind of left the inner corners with no mascara so you can see that pop of pink. And this is the final look, something fun, something still really neutral and easy to do. I will link the 2 eyeshadow palettes that I used to create this eyeshadow look. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.